my friends, this is Daniel Aldie, and today I want to talk with you about the secret formula to becoming a millionaire. Now, when most people think about becoming a millionaire, usually they just want to spend $1 million. They don't necessarily want to earn $1 million. But in order to become a millionaire, what you really need to know is that you need to understand exactly what your gift is and how it can help other people in your life. So what I'm basically saying is that every single person in this world has a gift. They have a unique talent from God that was given to them that they need to utilize in order to reach their full potential. Now, the majority of people have many gifts, but every single person in this world has at least one gift. And it is your duty to find out what that one gift is and find out a way to use it to help the people in your life. So in order to find your gift, what I want you to do is to ask yourself, what is it that I'm really good at? What is it that comes easily to me? You see, many people in this world can easily sing. Some can easily dance. Some can easily do artwork. Others have a great personality and they can act out on social media. You see, there's so many different ways to utilize your gifts, your talents, and your skills, but you have to understand what they are first before you use it on the highest level. Once you understand exactly what that gift is, I want you to find a way to make at least $10 with it. What I'm basically saying is that no matter what your gift is, there is going to be a way for you to earn at least $10. Now, once you start to make your first $10, you have to ask yourself, how am I going to make $100? You make 10 sales for $10, and there you go, you make 100. Once you get to 100, you become more confident because you realized that you are competent in what you do. Once the universe pays you for your gift, you're going to find a way to put your mind into greater action. You're going to turn $100 into $1,000. Now, this is the point where you have to decide once you make your first $1,000 if you want to start a business or not. You see, most people can go from $1,000 to $10,000 a month if they tried their hardest. Once you get to $10,000 through starting a business, then you have to get to $100,000 a month. Now, this is a monumental step. Because once you went from $1,000 to $10,000, you obviously realize that there's a lot of help that you need. But to go from $10,000 to $100,000 a month, you need a lot of people to help. And you also need to help other people too. You see, once you make a bigger impact, you make a bigger income. And once you make a bigger income, you find a way to make a bigger impact. Once you're making $100,000 a month, that's basically over $1 million a year. And you, my friend, became a millionaire. Once you understand this concept, to make $10 from your gift, and then $100, then $1,000, then $10,000, and $100,000 a month, then, my friends, you will learn exactly what it takes to become a millionaire. Now, is the process easy? No. But will it become easy as you learn what to do along the way? Absolutely. So focus on your skills. Focus on your gifts. Focus on the person that you need to become, and I promise you, money will flood into your direction. You will do everything it requires to become a millionaire and reach that goal you always desired. My friends, this is Daniel Aldie, and if you know what your gift is, make sure to leave a comment in the section below and let me know exactly what it is that you're really good at. If you like this video, make sure to share it with someone that absolutely needs it, and please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button, and use your gifts at the highest level. Again, this is Daniel Aldie, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.